After twisting, locking this in place, the generator can either be started with the traditional pull, switch being on, and you would press the start button twice, or utilize the remote pushing it twice. Sometimes this needs to be pressed 3 times for it to start. To turn it off, you can either press the button here or off on the remote. If the generator goes into overload mode, if the AC gets used at the same time as the microwave or any big draws, sometimes you'll lose power or capacity within the camper, and you'll come out here and there'll be a red light on indicating there was an overload. To reset the overload, simply push the red button and you can turn the generator off, start it back on, and it should operate normally.